I love Gordon. Gordon's great.
Riley, move those chairs. Rise and shine, Dante!
Need a learning session.
These are boys. You tell me. It might take an hour just to have the directions
Followed in your mind.
Watch the tree already.
Watch the tree. Hopefully Dante doesn't hit the tree.
Probably should have thrown those pieces on there.
Okay, you guys are gonna have to flip it. Lift. How you?
I have to lift or turn it to get out the gate.
Well, I can lift it.
Why don't we just roll it down the road? Put it up on its side and roll it down the road. They invented the wheel for a reason.
As long as it doesn't bend it.
It might.
Have engineer.
Okay, guys, come on. We're lifting it over the fucking fence.
Hey, watch your mouth. This is going on Facebook.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, not Facebook.
People don't believe we're moving this like this.
Fuck. I lift from the bottom. Oh, that.
Watch this shed.
No, this shit.
Watch.
Alright, Toasted Ty, come grab it from this
Riley,
side.
go open.
So we can get over there to help.
Hunter.
Hunter, Dad, shut that gate.
No.
You don't need to worry about shutting the gate right now.
Well, if the dogs actually...
How are the dogs going to get out if nobody's here?
They can take the door off.
Shut up.
Hey.
How far is this house?
14 houses down.
And of course Tyler's got to stand right next to the
Good job, Tyler, standing on the metal plate.
And I would have moved it about.
Which way am I going?
Left.
going down that way.
That way.
Just that way, yeah. So
That general direction.
We're moving a trampoline to our new house.
Your mom and dad said we weren't going to carry it down the street. So I'm proving them wrong. I'm videoing.
Wrong way, Mom.
Huh? Oh, well.
So if a car comes, can we just lift it up and let them drive under?
Yep.
No.
Yeah.
Drop it while we stop.
Or just ditch the car and walk under.
How is my happy crew this morning?
Possibility.
Not happy.
You're amazing.
Yeah.
I'm proud.
Thank you, Ty, for helping. You're such a big nose.
Zach is like the only cheerful one this morning.
He's always truthful though.
Yeah, Tyler's just Tyler. Hunter's just,
I was gonna say I'm always in like a soft mood.
And then my buddy Dante over there's walking down the street half asleep. I love you guys.
And I can hear Hunter trying to light a cigarette while we're walking.
Is he really?
Yeah. No wonder why I'm sorry.
Hey, there's a car coming.
No, it's turning left, right.
Which house is it?
Oh, honey, we haven't gone 14 yet. We've only gone 3.
What?
We've only gone 3 houses.
What fucking houses?
All the way down there.
So just don't give your football coach an idea. Or your wrestling coach. Yeah.
All the coaches on the trampoline, you all walk them.
Yeah. Well, that would be easy. There's so many of us.
Even though the coach is on.
If you guys need to take a break, just stop it.
No, we good. We chugging.
Hey, Dante. Love you. Well, I should have brought my coffee with me.
How can Dante walk backwards like that? You're about to step in a puddle, Dante.
It's taking 5 minutes to walk down the street. Tyler, you need a...
I'm good.
We look like idiots, dude.
People are like, oh, they're stealing.
You guys are living in 2019. I'm living in 2032. If I'm using my shoulder, fuck using my hand.
I'm using my shoulder too.
Yeah,
Because y'all are tall, that's why.
Yeah, Hunter's just...
See, I'm doing pretty good.
Zach stole your idea.
My bone is too close to my shoulder. I don't have enough fat there.
I just know I'm kind of standing now where Dante was originally.
Yeah, I know, we're rotating.
Who's jumping the fence?
It gives everybody a chance to walk backwards.
Yeah. All equal turn of that.
Hey, now, you're going to push me off the road.
Who's jumping the fence?
Blind person area, guys.
Be careful.
Don't pick on him. It's Hunter's friend.
No, I was just saying, I was a blind person.
He lives right here.
What, Michael?
Yeah,
Yeah, Michael Marcia.
he lives right there.
Michael. Just gotta make sure we don't hit this vehicle on the side of the road.
Hey guys, let's hit this vehicle.
No!
Oh look, a minivan. Oh, it's a Ford. It's okay, we can hit it. Looks like someone already did that Ford.
Or they burnt a
It
hole
probably
in it.
doesn't even run.
Or they burnt a hole in it.
I don't think your car runs either. Yeah, it does. No, that's it.
It's going to be pretty looking. Multicolored, but pretty looking.
Yeah.
Black and...
From black and blue.
Yeah.
Hey, that's bruised from
Your butt end being hit. You guys rock. Maybe I should,
Why did it get heavy all of a sudden?
Because I like a little bit.
I'm going to give y'all a pat on the back.
They
for
should
helping.
team up together and have a moving company.
Who?
There you go. David and Sons. You guys want to work at Dad's new company? David and Sons. Trampoline movers.
Wait.
I thought those were real geese for a second, and I was like,
How
fuck.
did everyone
The very
rotate
first time I
spots?
saw him, I said the same thing.
Wait, how did everyone rotate spots? Except Hunter.
All right, guys, we're almost there.
No, I'm not. Oh, it's your fuck.
I like the back. I don't have to carry as much.
Yeah, I just so
Yeah, go all the way around.
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Thanks for doing
You
this
gotta be
with
at the
us.
front to be at the back.
You rock. You can stay another week.
I'd rather
You've earned yourself another week. How's that? 2 weeks.
You want us to be guys.
Y'all in the back be here in 2 weeks.
Don't remind me.
I'm walking.
All right, guys. It took us 8 minutes, but there's the house.
that little brick one.
Maybe by now, maybe he was pooping. That's why he didn't answer the door.
No, I thought he was dead.
No, that's not the house. It's that house, and the gate's on the other side of the truck, on the other side of the garage.
Oh, fuck that.
Hey, stop it. Ryan, get your feet out of there.
I don't want to get hit by Dante.
He won't hit you. He likes you. Guys, you gotta stop.
Why are we stopping?
It's a stop sign.
We are a big vehicle, though.
Oversized load.
Wait, yeah, I was gonna say, you guys are oversized. Where's your red flags?
Where's your warning lights?
I thought you said you were holding my shoulder. You're holding my hand.
It's on my shoulder, though. I've got my hand there in case it slips off my shoulder.
Oh, and have to back anymore?
You know, that way I'm not putting undue weight on somebody else's helping carry.
Okay, so it's jumping the fence. And there's a car coming.
I can jump.
The car can wait, because
They think we're stealing.
Or workout
We're gonna hit
fitness
the
group.
mailbox. We're gonna hit the mailbox. We're gonna hit the mailbox.
It's a double-side mailbox.
we've got this power box, too, we got to get by. We
Just
try
come-
to squeeze in between the power box and the pickup truck and walk it up to
Can you put it down? Huh?
once we get up towards the gate, somebody can jump the gate.
Put it down. Tyler needs it down.
Said,
I
no,
didn't
I'm
say
not.
put it down. I got garbage cans on this side.
All right, put it down for it now.
We gotta go get the gate anyways.
You know what? That's going to be a very tight squeeze.
We're probably gonna have to. I'm gonna have to take these support bars off, and it's gonna have to roll through the gate.
Where's the gate? Oh,
It's straight
This
ahead.
one?
mm-hmm. Don't break it though.
Oh, you farted.
Yeah, I know. I have jeans on. This sucks.
You know what? We have a 6 foot something kid here. How tall are you?
4.
Do you see a latch?
How do I? There we go. Got it.
All right, guys.
My jeans all dirty.
Okay.
You might have to take out the bars. We're gonna have to roll it through.
Love you, Ty. I love you, Ty.
Security thing. Footage. Whatever.
Here,
Be careful
set
of
my
the
love.
right here. What if he wakes up and he sees us?
This is our backyard.
I want the children right there.
You want it by the pine needles?
That's me in the whole backyard. Or right there. We didn't have it over in this area. Who's throwing things? Hey, we have a basement. Yeah, there is no latch. We even have the trampoline right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like right here.
Guys, we know where the trampoline is going. I'll make sure George and me.